What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the supercharger belt in my CTSV. I haven't changed this one in a while. I think it's probably been about a year or so. The belt looks fine, a little bit of cracking, but nothing crazy. But I just like to replace it. I do plan on going to the track in a couple of weeks. I'd like to make sure the car runs good, so we're going to replace the belt. I think the only thing I might have to remove is just remove the intake. That way it'll give me access. I could probably do it without it, but there isn't really, I got fan hands, so there really isn't a lot of room to get down there. So I'll just remove the intake and should be good to go. All right, so I got some tools. We'll first disconnect the mass airflow sensor. And then there's a clamp right down here. Right down there. Make sure that's all. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Clamp it off. All right, there it is, guys. I got the intake off. By the way, the best intake for a CTSV. DDP, hands down, can't beat it. So now all I gotta just do, get this tensioner over here, loosen it, get the belt off, and then I should be able to squeeze it out. So there it is, guys. Got the old belt out. Like I said, it doesn't look horrible. There's definitely a lot of dust here, so it probably was slipping a little bit. So here's the new one. Put the new one on there and then give it a shot. One little problem, guys. Well, this is the wrong belt. I guess I don't know if I either ordered the wrong one or they sent me the wrong one, because this one's a K080865 and I need K080685 and I got a 865. So I'm gonna have to return this one and get the right belt. So for now, unfortunately, this one's gonna have to go back on, and I'll probably get the new one tomorrow or Thursday, and then I'll take it all back apart and put the new one on.